Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 117th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Use text intent and text align property. So we'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash css, p tag, text indent 100 pixel, text align, justify, h1 tag, text align, center. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag. Now we'll use h1 tag and we'll end h1 tag. Now p tag and now we'll end p tag. We'll end body tag and similarly HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 117 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML and 117th program. So this is our basic output of how to use text indent and